Welcome back to Innovative Foods. Today we are making crispy and delicious bread egg snacks, perfect for evening tea or kids' lunch boxes. Take some bread slices and cut them round with a cutter. Heat 1 tablespoon oil. Add 3 tablespoon onion, 1 green chili, half teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, and half teaspoon salt. Add 3 tablespoon capsicum, 3 tablespoon tomato, and half teaspoon garam masala. Mix well and keep aside. Now prepare a slurry with 3 tablespoon flour and 1/3 cup water. Mix well. In another bowl, mix breadcrumbs with 1 tablespoon black sesame seed and 1 tablespoon white sesame seeds. Now take a bread slice, spread the cooked vegetable, some mayonnaise, and place half a boiled egg. Brush water at the edges. Cover with another bread piece. Eggs provide protein and healthy fats for energy. Vegetables like onion, tomato, and capsicum add vitamins and minerals. Sesame seeds are rich in calcium and iron. If you want a healthier version, bake instead of deep frying. Dip into the slurry. Coat with breadcrumbs. And fry in medium hot oil until golden and crispy. Bread snacks like this are very popular Indian street foods. The use of half-boiled egg inside makes it more filling and protein-rich. Adding sesame seeds gives not just crunch but also a nutty flavor. Crispy bread snacks have been enjoyed since colonial times with tea in Bengal and beyond. Always use day-old bread, it fries better and does not absorb too much oil. Don't skip sesame seeds, they add both taste and beauty. Fry on medium heat, otherwise bread will brown too fast and stay raw inside. Use fresh mayonnaise for the best creamy texture. And there you go, golden crispy bread egg snacks are ready to enjoy. A perfect blend of crunch outside and soft creamy filling inside. Would you try this with tea or as an evening snack? What's your favorite egg snack? Share below. Do you like it deep fried or baked? Don't forget to subscribe for more quick and tasty snack ideas.